took 10. So she did all your breast milk was about 8. She did 3 here. So, and she took 30 earlier. So she's probably like, I'm full. And we never want to feed baby if they're pushing the nipple. Like, we don't want to force feed baby, right? We want her to drive whatever we're doing.
Okay.
So if she's pushing bottle out with her tongue, time to burp. If she is spilling a lot, time to burp.
Okay.
If she is like just showing stress cues, like furrowed brows or like coughing, choking, take out and burp. So I think that's all she's gonna take today.